Hey, what's good, y'all? It's T-Wells coming at you again with another video here. I want to look at Blockfi. They got another great promo going on right now. I think it's been extended until just a few more days into November. So basically, if you bring a certain amount of money over to the platform, they will give you a certain amount of free money in return. This link is not working. Check that out. Okay, so I'm not going to look into this more at the moment. One thing you should know about this is that when you park the money, you have to keep it there, I think, for it's about 2 months, like the middle of January, before you'll actually see those promotional returns. So these things always have terms, and you should be aware of them. Don't get suckered in without sort of understanding what you're getting into. Blockfi, having said that, I think is an awesome platform. I have money here. I have it here for the long term. I think that this project's going to be around. So yeah, solid, right? A lot of people come over here for the APY. You're able to earn some passive income on your stable coins, BTC, ETH, and some other altcoins. But what I want to talk about today specifically is the trading function on Blockfi. So right now, there are basically three parts of what the project provides. The first is APY on coins you park with them. You can borrow crypto, I believe, and use your existing crypto as collateral. You can borrow cash and use your existing crypto as collateral, and you can trade. I think this trading component is the newest aspect of the platform, and I first took an interest in this. I don't trade, okay, in any sort of day trading sense, but obviously we like to take profits from time to time. And so once I initially moved over stable coins when I borrowed some BTC and ETH. In the recent run up, I wanted to take some profits, so I looked into this, to learn more. Obviously, my first question is, what are the fees? What's it going to cost me? Okay, so if you go and you Google Blockfi trading fees, it will bring you to their page, or you explore on their webpage, and you'll see that they're claiming you have fast trading without the fees. I can say that the trading is just fine in terms of speed. If you're looking for cutting edge stuff, you're not going to get it here, but that's not really the purpose of the platform. So it's great. I mean, the transactions are timely, it works, but without the fees is the thing that I think people need to understand. I love Blockfi. Again, I really like this platform to be with them, but this is misleading. I'm just going to say that right now. This is misleading. Frankly, anytime you hear about being able to trade cryptos or any asset, right, with no fees, you need to that should send a red flag. You need to look immediately at what is actually happening here. And this is an example of something that is technically, I'm not claiming this false advertising. It is technically true, but you are going to pay a certain rate to transact, and that's understandable. This is not a criticism of Blockfi for charging people. It is simply that I think that this is a slight bit misleading, and I think that, it's good for promotional material. If people come on here and want to trade, you're going to make your own decision, do your own research, but let me show you what this sort of looks like here. So on my account, I'm looking at my Bitcoin right now. You can see they have the little color proportions. If you choose Bitcoin and say, I want to trade this, okay, so I have an option to deposit, to withdraw, or over here to trade. And I come over to trade, and just for illustrative purposes here, if I wanted to buy another Bitcoin, so if I want to buy one Bitcoin, it's going to tell me this is going to cost $15,716 USDC. Okay, so $15,716 for a Bitcoin. Well, right now on Coinbase, it's trading at $15,570. Okay, so again, those numbers, right? Right now, essentially, market rate is $15,560 something. Over here, they want $15,750. So you do the math, it basically runs down to about 1%. So if you 1% higher, okay, so if I follow through with the trade, there is not going to be a line item that's going to say trading fee, like you would see on a Coinbase or something like that. So there's not going to be an official trading fee, but the point is they're marking up the price. Okay, Blockfi marks up the price prior to the point of sale, basically. Okay, and this is the case for BTC, for ETH. I've looked at a bunch of these other ones. Again, this is not so much a criticism of Blockfi as it is to make sure you understand that it's correct. There are no trading fees, but you are going to pay some sort of transaction fee here if you're trying to take profits on coins that you've deposited on Blockfi. It does come around to about 1%. So this is more of an FYI video than anything else. I hope it benefits you. I hope you start using Blockfi. It's a fantastic tool. I have a referral link below if you'd like to use that. Leave a comment with questions, comments. You all have an excellent week. Be safe and be well.